Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a little trick, because sometimes you find yourself in a situation where you don't want to use Samsung Files app. To be honest, it sucks, and it allows you to access only few directories such as Google Drive, OneDrive, but if you use another cloud provider, I use personally Proton Drive, which is the privacy-oriented one, and also other directories are sort of hidden until you use them. But how you can use them if you can access them. Okay, and I'm using OneUI 5.1, which is the latest and greatest, but you can use even older Android like 12 or 11, because the trick is that there are two files applications on your device, because some Android is open source project and they have to provide the somewhat stock files application, but Samsung took it away and they provided their own application because they thought it's a better user experience or something, but it's limited in function. So there is the stock files application from the clean version of the Android, and sometimes you find yourself in that version, because if you go into browser and try to upload a file, you may find yourself in this sort of interface which is different from the Samsung, and this is actually the stock files app. But this way it's limited because you have to choose file, you can just move around stuff and everything. So what you're gonna need is actually to install F-Droid Store, which is the open source application store. It's totally safe and there are only verified applications that are not malware. So you have to download it and install it. It's quite simple. You give it some permission to install it and you're over there. It's easy. So you just click the download and install the downloaded app. So if you have it, you can open it and search for Anemo application. Anemo application is just few kilobytes, and what it does, it actually gives you back somewhat gives you back the icon for the files application, because Samsung managed to hide it from you, but the app is actually still there. If you use sort of app manager that shows you what is installed on your device, if you search for files application, there are two. There is Samsung one and there is this stock or clean Android version. You can get into it using this app manager application, which is also from F-Droid Store. You can launch it and you're over there. As you can see, also the icon, and but you don't have icon on your home screen. So the workaround is actually using this Anemo application, which sort of gives it the icon. So basically I have the icon here, I press it and you're in a stock files application. There you can see I have the Proton Drive directory which I can use. I can drag files into it. There is also another directory for Termux, which is the command line interface. Many people don't use it, but sometimes you just wanna. And this is the trick. You can use it on any Android device, even older, even other manufacturer. If they hide from you the stock files application, you can use this method. So you download it from the F-Droid store, and there you have it. If you are looking for more tricks in the future, I appreciate subscribe and like. But this is all for today. I showed it on a Note 20 Ultra, and if you're interested in a magnet on my phone, it's a sort of magnetic charger. I can provide link in the description, and it also supports DeX and high transfer rate. So if you're interested in protecting your port from dust and other garbage, you can use something like this. So I'm gonna provide link in the description. So see you later guys, and I hope it made your life a little simpler.